Big up the country squad and the country people them all over the world. You are now tuned in to the most monitored vlog.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advised. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advised. In this video right here, I am going to do a comprehensive analysis of Rasta City gang underneath Prezi leadership, because you know now it's called a different thing, but I am gonna do a little breakdown. Now Rasta City, as them call themselves before, now they are the seven, a prominent gang, you know, in a Trinidad and Tobago. Now historically was a main rival was the Muslim city gang, but internal conflict with them have lead to a breaking up of the Muslim, and then the Muslim kinda shatter yaso, shatter deso, and next thing you know, you have the formation of the Sixx gang. Now the 6 and 7 were all Muslims and Rasta City. I want everybody to understand that. Now Akini Dole used to run Rasta City, but before him you have a big man there named Berkey who was running Rasta City, and when Berkey died, pretty much Akini Dole, him become the de facto leader of the Rasta City. Now Dole got killed in 2019, and there is some discrepancy in his death when people are saying it's because him killed Salman, but that might be part of it. That's why Gary, the police commissioner at the time, took him out. But really and truly, what Akini Dole did, they were killing, hijacking fisherman vessels. You understand? And what they did, there was a string of fishermen going missing over a period of time. And what the company did, because I think the fishermen then work for some fishing company, they put GPS in the engines. So when Akini Dole take the man them boat or whatever for whatever dealing that was going on, the GPS led the police them to him, and that's how he meet him demise. Given the fact he was a dangerous gang member that would do anything and everything. Now, following the death of Akini Dole, Prezzi became the leader. Villafana, that's his name. I laugh, the man him have a European name. Now, Prezzi became the leader of the Rasta City, aka the 7, and him have different people that him associated with. Now, one thing I am going to say about Sandman, because you know Sandman got him taken out by, they say, Shato, allegedly. But one thing I'm going to say about that, Prezi is complicit with that too, because that's Rasta City. And at the time, Akini Dole was the man, and linked with Prezi, and linked with Shato, and that's how the thing went. Now, the Rasta City gang at the time, yo, the man them is notorious. The man them involved in everything. Every activity. Drug trafficking, firearm, armed robbery, extortion, human trafficking. You name it, they did it. Probably the only thing them no do, a rape, murder, hitmen. They did it. Now, the Rasta City, aka 7 Gang, them based out of Beetham, that are the headquarter. Beetham Gardens, Sealat, East Port of Spain. So remember Akini Dole now, he was down by Sealat. That's not far from Beetham Gardens. That's what I'm letting you all know. They had their rivalry, Sixx Dan, who was an understudy of Prezi, and things went haywire right there. Break off from the Sixx gang, and from that day they had a vicious rivalry. Very significant source of violence. I'm telling you, this contributed to putting Trinidad on the map when it comes to murders in the Caribbean. Now, they tried a couple different peace initiatives, and in some time ago they had a ceasefire following a wave of assassination. Now, everybody know about Rebel Sixx and Brad. The list goes on and on and on. Now, they said Rebel died because he didn't want to sign, but I heard something else, and I heard that his so-called girl that he was living with was also complicit in his murder. Now, what is the government doing in Trinidad to solve this problem? You want me to tell you what they're doing? Investigations have revealed that the state contracts were awarded to a lot of criminal gangs, including Rasta City, 2015, 2018, and the list goes on and on. Man like Prezi get $6 million, you know. $6 million. So when you hear about these guys and see if they have money, yes, these guys are getting real money. Remember, Trinidad, you know, that is straight rich badness. Now, the relationship with the state and the gang affiliates has been criticized, but guess what? Nothing has been done to that. Now, we are going to speed it up and we are going to jump in 2024. Trinidad faces more gang threat than any other country right now. Believe it or not, I know Jamaica is right there too.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Let me elaborate a little bit more. In Jamaica, the gangs are on the decrease. We have more gangs than Trinidad, but in Trinidad, the gangs are on the rise. Let's go. Trinidad, them have a complex and a complexity with the landscape, and they have about 140 gangs involved in a various criminal enterprise, Trinidad, them face threat from major gangs like the 7 and smaller emerging gangs, and also they're right there by Venezuela. 8 miles away, you can swim to Venezuela. Everybody know what Venezuela is about. I don't have to go into too much detail about that. Now, under Prezi leadership, the Rasta City gang, or the 7 gang, is the biggest player right now when it comes to money and gang dynamics. Now, you have the Sixx gang, and you have more younger kids and younger youth them follow the Sixx gang, which the Sixx gang, they don't have their feet set in the monetary and the contract landscapes and certain things in Trinidad. But when it comes to the 7 gang, with Prezzi at the lead, him and guys like Sunday, Trinidad Sixx, that's what I call Sunday, him put a strong foothold in government, in contracts, in links, and everything. Like they say, Prezi is away right now from Trinidad, and pretty much he's living a big time flashy, I wouldn't say flashy, but a big time lifestyle, traveling from country to country. Now, them try many peace attempt, but guess what? The complex relationship within the different gangscape in Trinidad make it very, very hard. Trinidad is a very territorial place, you understand? And just imagine, you ever see a dog come out, and where the dog do? The dog piss on the tire, or him piss on the wall to mark them spot. That's how the gangster them at Trinidad operate. You understand? Them piss on the wall and mark them spot. With that said, that is a comprehensive synopsis of the 7 gang Rasta City gang, and I'm gonna talk about the 6 gang and just give an analysis and a comprehensive synopsis of the 6 gang. And I have 2 more interviews, like I said, coming. The big bad judge, and I have a special person who's gonna talk about a special someone in St. Lucia. With that said, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.